Welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. I don't know why I sung that, but look at these adorable cups. I got this, I don't know if it was last year or the year before, at TJ Maxx, and I thought this would be really cute if you had company for Christmas to like send them away with a travel cup, and I thought this would be adorable. They even have little sleeves, but this year is looking like, yeah, we're not gonna be doing that, so I thought I would just use one. I don't want to use a bunch of them because I have plenty of mugs to use, but this was $3.99 at TJ Maxx, but I thought it was a really cute find. So I'm about to make a half cap coffee to start my morning. Alright, I dampened my hair to put in some Olaplex while my coffee is making. I haven't been using Olaplex enough, but I'm gonna let it sit because I'm gonna have coffee, chill for just a little bit, and then have a workout, and then I need to shower, and my hair really needs a wash, so that's why I'm doing Olaplex now. So this is the number 3. This is the Bond Repair. If you're not familiar, it just helps with damage, and I am planning pretty soon to have my hair bleached. I'm not sure if it's going to be like a melt or balayage or what I'm going to do, but I definitely want some blonde in my hair. I don't know how much of a cut I'm going to have. It may be kind of dramatic considering how long my hair is right now, but I'll definitely use Olaplex after it. But I'm like, even right now my hair needs some love. The collagen actually melted. I can almost pretend that it's Starbucks. It's not though. Alright, so my plan is, like I said, I'm gonna do a little bit of editing, computer work, check emails, have some coffee, chill out for a little bit. I am going to work out. I worked out the day before yesterday. I'm kind of easing back into it because I feel like I'm so out of shape, but I was really sore yesterday, like in a good way. Like my abs were sore from working them. So coffee first. I need to do my makeup to post a couple of things for Instagram, and then we're gonna tackle my beauty room, and it's maybe messier than ever, but I'll show you guys that and we'll tackle that in a little bit. Okay, I did my workout. I feel so tired. I'm gonna have Liquid IV Tangerine. This is the immune support. I really like this one. I've been drinking water out of this cup. It says, "Are we married yet?" Of course, if you want to try Liquid IV, my code Amy_Erica25 gets you 25% off and free shipping, sometimes a little bit more depending like the holidays or whatever. I have packages today, but I'm gonna do one day of Vlogmas all about my Ipsy boxes, and then I'm also gonna have like a day where I haul things, like all the stuff I bought during Black Friday. I bought a little bit before too because I feel like sales started like on Monday, not on Friday, so I've been ordering things like way too much, but it should be a really fun haul. It should definitely be a fun haul, so I'm excited about that.
Excuse me.
Somebody's hissing. So yeah, I'm about to have some Liquid IV and get ready to do some stuff, so I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so it is much later in the day, later than I would like to admit. I do have new nails on. These are Kiss Impressions nails, literally the only ones that I will wear now. They actually stay on super well. So these are one of the holiday ones. My makeup today, I tried the Ofra Black Friday palette. It has a lot of existing shades. You can get most of these shades, but I used probably 5 of them. I used that matte gray over here, the black, the light silver white, and then that middle pewter color. Oh my god. Like this is like every few days that it looks like this. So I'm gonna grab a trash can and I need to clear all this up, but just generally speaking, this room is a freaking mess. Random box, random stuff. Kitty, hi Sniffies. Sweet girl. This too, just horrible. But I do have my tripod now. I had that attached to my ring light before, so now I have a better angle for you guys when we're doing declutters. So I'm gonna set you up and we'll start cleaning up this horrible room. Okay, so I got this table cleared off, but then I put this container, which hopefully you guys can see, and then this. So I have a lot of stuff that has just accumulated that is not like makeup part of my vanity type thing. So I need to work out where all this stuff is going. Some of it is body stuff that I just keep bringing in here as I use it. Like some of my Truly products, because I love to show you guys those, but I need to take some of this to my bathroom. So I'm gonna do a little take to my bathroom basket of deodorant. I have this Skin & Co. shower gel. I'm gonna put that on the floor. I also have a bunch of these in my bathroom, which I don't really use except if I'm traveling or something. Oh, this is my mic case. What is that doing down here? Like, what am I doing with my life? These brushes were not my favorite, but I'm gonna put them in my clean or need to be cleaned little cup over here, and I'll give them to somebody who doesn't mind. They were used once, and I'll definitely like clean and sanitize them. Got a couple nug masks. I do have a place for these in my bathroom. These couple of things, this hard candy glitterati thing is actually kind of pretty, but I don't know, this is such like a chunky packaging. I don't know how often I would actually wear a lip like that. I think I'm gonna actually get rid of this. They almost look the same. I'm not crazy about these. Okay, this is just like a NYX red lipstick. I'll put that in my drawer. Was not a fan of this little guy. I'm gonna get rid of that. This Milani strobe light. I don't have anything quite like this, but it's so gold. Ooh, it's really pretty though. Okay, I'll do something with that. I've got this Tingle teaser I'm gonna take back to my bathroom. Here you go, baby. My poor mirror. There's cat hair on this stuff. Oh dear. All right, there's some stuff I can put away. Huda palette, powder. A lot more skincare. Oh, that's body too. I think everything else is skincare. Alright, I also have this. Oh my god, everything's such a mess. I'm gonna flatten these boxes. Got a few things to put into the recycling. Put my headband where it goes. Alright, I think I'll leave my Yes Style stuff together just for now. So I'm gonna put this basket somewhere. Okay, so everything else on this table is just skincare that I've been using recently, and I've been incorporating in Instagram videos, but I don't really know where to store it right now because this is all like open in-use products, so obviously I don't want to just store them away. I want to use them, so yeah, I have no idea what I'm doing with that. Taking the recycling. Okay, I made some progress, but I'm gonna move this stuff off of this little table and take this table out of here. I don't think I ever actually showed you guys. This is my updated camera, EOS Rebel T8i. Still not 100% sure how to work it, but I'm learning. Like every time I have an issue, I learn something new, and I'm getting better and better, but I actually have a mic on it, and it's obviously updated. You guys should be able to tell from my other videos. So I have this bag of lip products because lip products just keep piling up everywhere. So I am going to do a lip declutter for sure. And while I'm thinking of it, I do have sheet masks stored under my bench down here, under Keanu's feces. Not the most efficient place in the world, but it'll do. This box I'm not using for anything right now. I'll put this in my closet. And these are just, oops. There we go. These are just like little dinner tray TV stand thingies that I got at, not TV stand, like TV dinner stands. Is that what they're called? Fuck, I don't know. Anyway, I got these at Target, not to eat off of, but just when I need an extra space. But as you guys see, zoom out, this is actually my desk, and I was gonna get rid of it, but then I was like, you know what? It's not really good as a desk, but it might be great as a table to just film at because it's wide. It'll help reflect the light, and it's got space for me to actually put stuff on. So I was using these little tables, so I just pull these tables out whenever I need a little extra tabletop space. Alright, you guys might have seen these little bins I was putting together are grouping like skincare things or some makeup things too. I'm putting together an aloe basket. This one's like ice cream, sweet tooth, milky, and I'm actually gonna put these in my closet, so I'm gonna move them. That's better. It's kind of a weird angle, but it's just right under the mirror and the cats love to lay on it. So those are all in here. Still got some room, like I can walk in and reach everything, which is all I really care about, so that these are kind of out of the way. My closet, Beanie Boos. Those containers are all empty. Still got blankets, pillows, just random stuff. All my hair goodies. These little hair clips from Shein are so cute. Like little clippy clamps. So I got those in there. I'm just going to add to these as I like run across products that they go with, or if something, you know, if I get it in PR or I purchase it or whatever. And I have a couple under here. Those little pinky bins are also, one's watermelon, the other's just purple. I also have clothes on here. Some of this I still need to film a haul with. From when you guys actually picked my outfits. The rest of this I need to just go put into my closet. I also have this, which I need to go through. These are all just like really affordable tops that I got from Shein. Just things I can wear in videos to like constantly change up my tops. Some of these are really cute though, like surprisingly, like some of these were like $3, $4, $5. Oh, wow. Alright, the only other thing I'm going to do is clean this desk off, or this vanity, and then I am done for the night. I've done a lot. Alright guys, I am exhausted. So that is the end of Vlogmas Day 2. Thank you for hanging with me. I hope you enjoyed the cleanup. Once again, if you have any other things you'd like to see for Vlogmas, let me know. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a great December so far. I'm gonna do some skincare and go to bed and wake up for Vlogmas Day 3.